today we're going to be making fertilizer by taking goat manure and running it through a mulcher and totally turning it into wonderful, great powder. Oh, here we go. What we're going to do is show you a little trick that we've done. We've made here kind of a shredder using an old lawnmower motor and the lawnmower blade and about 1/3 of a metal 55-gallon drum. We put the shaft down through and then put the lawnmower blade on it. And what we tried for the first time is mulching up the nanny berries. Show them the nanny berries. We got lots of nanny berries right here from our nanny berry collection system under our goat barn, goat house. And coming over here, show you the finished product over here. We're going to put that in the garden. That is like totally good fertilizer. So I'm going to try to start it here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we're running. Okay, here we are at the garden. I'm just going to spread it out on my raised garden bed right there. Just on top, and then I'm going to dig it in. And that should be really good stuff. Okay, there's the garden. Dirt, worm, soil, and ground up nanny berries from the goats. And it is very nice. I hope to be able to grow something in there. Well, I hope this video has been helpful, that you've learned something and enjoyed it. Please give it a like if you like it, and see me on some of the other videos in my SCTurtles channel.